As above, so below. We give thanks to our guides for lighting this path as we honor this source of infinite love, support, knowledge, and healing. We ask for the courage to bring our full presence of heart, mind, body, and soul into the Akashic realm as we hold with the highest respect this source of all that was, is, and will be. Lords of the Akashic Records, masters, teachers, loved ones, and guides, I lovingly ask to know myself in the light of the Akashic Records, to see myself in the light of the Akashic Records, to experience myself in the light of the Akashic Records. Repeating silently 3 times, the records of your full legal name are now open. Announcing the opening of your records by saying the following out loud. May the path be illuminated. The records are now open. Lords of the Akashic Records, masters, teachers, loved ones, and guides, we thank you for your unconditional love, support, knowledge, and healing. The records are now closed. Amen. The records are now closed. Amen. The records are now closed. Amen. You can now spend some time reflecting on your experience, writing in your journal, leaving yourself an audio note, and really celebrating yourself for this expansive step you have taken on your journey.